Cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, a notch is formed at the equatorial plane of the cell, which deepens gradually towards the center, and finally two cells are formed. These newly formed cells are called daughter cells. However, in case of plant cells, instead of notch, a cell plate is formed at the midline of the cell, which grows towards the periphery, and finally two new cells are formed. After a detailed study of mitosis, can you tell why this process is considered to be so vital? Mitosis is essential for the growth of the body. Besides, it is also necessary for the restoration of the emaciated body, wound healing, formation of blood cells, etc. Come, let us now proceed to learn another type of cell division, that is meiosis. Meiosis occurs only in germ cells. The process of gamete production and spore formation occurs by meiosis. After meiosis, one diploid cells give four haploid cells. Meiosis is completely through two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis first, in this process, complete in several steps during the cell division. Crossing over occurs between the homologous chromosomes present in the 2n, that is diploid mother cells. Homologous chromosomes are chromosomal pairs that are similar in length, gene pair, and centromere's location. Crossing over result in genetic recombination. Thereafter, these chromosomes divide into two groups, and finally two haploid daughter cells are formed. Each was n number of chromosomes, which means each cell possesses only one copy of the chromosomal pair. Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 is just like mitosis. In this stage, the two haploid daughter cells are formed. In meiosis 1, undergo division, and finally four haploid daughter cells are formed. Since there was genetic recombination in meiosis 1, all the four daughter cells formed are genetically different from mother cells and from each other. These cells now transform into gametes, which are always haploid, that is, have n number of chromosomes. During fertilization, male haploid gametes join with female haploid gametes, and diploid zygote is formed, which divides and grows into a new diploid living organisms. Therefore, formation of haploid gametes help the living organism to maintain the number of chromosomes in its species. After learning of cell division, let us do an interesting activity to observe different steps of mitosis in onion plant. Activity: take a medium-sized onion and keep it in a glass jar filled with water in such a way that the roots of onion dipped in water. New roots develop within 4 to 5 days. Cut the tips of these roots and put them into petri dish. Add a few drops of iodine solution. Take one root tip on a glass slide and press it with the help of forceps. Add 1 to 2 drops of water on it and cover it with cover slip. Observe the prepared slide under the compound microscope. Which step of mitosis do you see? We see the metaphase steps in the cell of the root tip. How did you identify the step? As all the chromosomes are arranged parallel to equatorial plane of the cell, we can say that the cell of observed is in metaphase state. Sketch the figure and in your notebook.